Hey, so I'm actually at the property and I've got power tools. Let's go. All right, so inside the property, I'm about to put these light plates. Well, not light plates, but electrical outlet plates, as well as the light switch plates on all of the outlets and switches throughout the property. So I guess you can call this a little sweat equity. So here I am. We're done painting. I mean, you can see the beautiful paint job that's all around me. All right. So done painting the the property. My contractor, he had to go and do some other jobs, but he'll be back next weekend to install the vanities and lights. So I gotta order the lights. Yeah, so he'll be back next weekend. Install the vanities and the lights. And all the stuff for the faucet. So it's a perfect opportunity to get the kitchen cabinets in here, which they're coming Monday, and then the guy will be here to install them that Wednesday. So that's gonna happen. I'm gonna have the granite guy come through, check out the area for the granite countertops, and then we'll get that underway. And then my flooring guy's gonna come through and give me an estimate on what it's gonna cost to put the floors in here. And that will be it for the inside. So kitchen cabinets, granite countertops, flooring, vanities, lights inside. So yeah, inside's almost complete. Also got a guy coming through for the interior. But without further ado, man, let me go ahead and put that sweat equity in there, just like I put that sweat equity in here. So I went ahead, tried my hand at cutting my hair. So got rid of that afro. I feel somewhat normal now, you know. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking real good. Feels good too, yeah. Feel that nice little breeze outside. Yeah, but go ahead and put this work in. Okay, so spent a little bit of time putting those covers on. Yeah, you see one down there, the other one over there, you know. Yeah, that one acted like it didn't want to screw in, so yeah, you see them back here. Yeah, it really does change the whole look and feel though. Like when you got the plates on there, looks really nice. It looks really nice, and it goes right along with that baseboard trim and all of that. Yeah. So got that up there. Some of them didn't go, so I'm have a conversation with my contractor, see if he could do some of that contractor magic and make it happen. All right. So that's pretty cool. You know, spending a little time, some little sweat equity in here. You know, my own little personal touch to it, I guess. Putting the plates up there. Now, one less thing that I have to pay the contractor to do, because yeah, he definitely was going to charge me I believe he said like $200 to put all those plates on there. So no, nah, I'll do it, and you'll do the ones that I'm having issues with. So, but for the most part, they all fit on there. They all fit nice and flush. Um, some of the electrical plugs need to be adjusted so that the plates can fit on there nice and flush, which that's what the contractor's going to take care of. But yeah, been doing a once over the entire house. It looks really good, and it looks like it's about ready to sell. But as soon as the kitchen cabinets get installed and the granite is in there and the flooring, man, you're gonna look at the outside of the place and just be like, yo, like it's a different world on the inside, which exactly what I go for. I want a person who's interested in purchasing a home or looking to purchase a home. I want them to come in any house that I flip, and I want them to fall in love with it. And ultimately, that's what's gonna get us to that closing table, right? So, yeah, I'm in this to make dream homes for people. You know, first time home buyers, they're always a lot of fun because they're super excited. This is like a dream come true for them. And then they're purchasing one of my properties, which I go above and beyond, you know. So if I wouldn't live there, I wouldn't expect anyone else to live there. I would actually try to buy this house now. Like I would, especially after I'm done with it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be super sexy. But put in that work. I mean, you see the knees. You see. Look, I mean, come on, man. Come on, you. Look at that. That's just absolutely awesome. Yeah, I love getting my hands dirty, you know, going home, feeling like, you know, I just put in a whole lot of work. So, but yeah, Sweat Equity. Anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe, smash the subscribe button, smash that like button, share this video, boost me up on the algorithms. I know you checked out some of the videos thus far and you're just like, man, you know, I could relate to that, or you know, there's some information, some good information that I picked up from from me, you know. So let YouTube know, man. Let's get these subscribers up, and so I can bring you more content, more houses, you know, more cool stuff, you know. But that's all for this one. I'm feeling hungry. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.